Good morning, Vinay. Morning, Swami. Make it fast. Please open your materials. How many questions completed?
81.
Huh? 81.
So from 82 you have to start.
That's it. That is 82 onwards. Okay. Please open objective materials page number 76. If the speed of an electron in Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen atom is x, Bohr's hydrogen atom is x, the speed of the electron in third Bohr orbit is. Seema, here what is the velocity formula? V is equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 divided by n. This is the formula for velocity. Yes, isn't it? Students, how to respond? Yeah. Here he is telling if the speed of electron in Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen atom is x, instead of this value he is telling x. V is equal to x. So which orbit he wants?
Third orbit.
So third orbit means n value what I have to take?
3.
So x by 3 is the answer. Okay, Nama? Next. The velocity of the electron in the first Bohr orbit of hydrogen is a formula 2.18 into 10 power 8 by n into z formula. Okay? So, but he is telling 2.2, so that's why I'm writing 2.2. V is equal to 2.2 into 10 power 8 divided by n into z. This is the formula. V is equal to 2.2 into 10 power 8 divided by, what is the n value? Third Bohr orbit of Li2.
3, sir. 3.
N is equal to 3. Li2 plus atomic number, how much? Lithium atomic number?
3.
3.
3.
What we got?
3.
What we got answer? Same answer we got 2.2 into 10 power 8 centimeter per second. So fourth option. Okay, Nama? Next. Question number 84. According to Bohr's theory, the angular momentum of electron in fifth orbit is MVR is equal to 5h by 2 pi. MVR is equal to 5h by 2 pi. 5 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2.5 2.5 by pi. Okay, option 1. Next, 85. The radius of which of the following orbit is the same as that of the Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen atom? Observe carefully. What is the radius of Bohr's orbit formula? 0.53 into n square formula. N square by, for hydrogen like species, what is the formula? 0.53 into n square by z square.
Z square by Z square.
By Z, sir.
The actual formula. Now,
Sir, by Z.
by z la See, actually, what is the formula for radius of Bohr's orbit? 0.53. This value we want actually. Now, substitute the options what are given. He plus n is equal to 2. Then 0.53 into 4 divided by He means atomic number 2 na?
Yes.
2 1 2 0.53 into 2, 0.53 not same. So that's why it is not correct option. Next, what is the second option? Li2 plus. Li2 plus means the same 0.53 into which orbit he given? 4 divided by lithium atomic number 3. So you won't get a 0.53 here also. It is also not same. Next, Li plus 2 n is equal to 3. 0.53 into 6 divided by 3. So 3 1 is 3 2. So that's why it is also not equal to this one. Next, 0.53 into which orbit? 4 divided by barium atomic number 4. So 4 1 ja 4 1 ja. So 0.53 0.53. So that's why radius of first orbit of Bohr is equal to radius of second orbit of Be2 plus. Right? Then you will get same value. First Bohr orbit of hydrogen. Here also we are getting 0.53 now. So that's why option 4 is correct. Are you clear what I am telling, students?
Yes, sir.
Simply you should not take the answer.
Yes, sir.
So he is asking radius of first Bohr orbit of hydrogen. We know that is 0.53. First Bohr orbit means n square I am taken as 1 square. It's same value. Z means 1 only will get it. So for which orbit of different ions it is equal to radius of Bohr's orbit. So all options I get. First option, second option, third option, fourth option. In which one we are getting equal? Fourth option. That is the answer. Next. Question number 86. The incorrect angular momentum of an electron is. Can you say what is the answer? Incorrect angular momentum of an electron.
Option 4, sir.
Angular momentum is what? NH by 2 pi. Alva? MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. So in which case you are not getting 2 pi? In which case you are not getting 2 pi?
Option 4, sir.
28 by 8 you will get 2 pi na? See, even number
Fourth option, sir.
even number, even number, even number, odd number, even number, you want to get it. So that's why option 4. Clear? Next, 87 question. Energy of ground state of He plus. First of all, what is energy formula? Please remember. E is equal to minus 13.6 by m square into z square into formula. E is equal to minus 13.6 into 4. I4 He plus C is telling na He means atomic number 2 square under 4 by ground state means 1 square means 1. 13.6 into 4 means how much? 54.4 minus 54.4. So this is for He plus. And for A, what is the correct match? Fourth one is the correct match. Are you clear? Next, potential energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom is. Please listen. No? Potential energy is equal to formula. Potential energy is equal to 2 times of actual energy of hydrogen. What is the actual energy of hydrogen? 13.6. So that's why we can write that PE is equal to 2 into 13.6 into n square formula. Potential energy of hydrogen atom. 2 into 13.6 into n square. Here n value how much we have to take? In value, how much we have to take? 1 or?
1.
1 square.
1 sir.
1 square.
14.6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? minus 13.6 minus 27.2 electron volts. Minus 27.2 electron volts. Next, kinetic energy as it is a formula. This is formula. Kinetic energy, kinetic energy same formula. Minus 13.6 by n square into z square. He is telling which atom? He plus. Which ion? He plus. So minus 13.6 into 4 divided by. Second excited state means what is the n value? First excited state means n is equal to 2. Second excited state means n is equal to 3. Yesterday I told you. See, don't confuse. This is ground state. Ground state means n is equal to not 0. N is equal to 1. This is the first excited state. It is second excited state. Okay na? 1, 2, 3. So second excited state means n is equal to 3. We have to take. Then 3 square andre eskama? 13.6 into 4 by 9. 13.6 into 4 by 9 means how much you will get? 6.04 minus 6.04.
Yes, sir.
That will answer. Next, ionization energy of He plus. Ionization energy formula already I told, but in electron volts I told. If you want in joules, what we have to do? Minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 divided by n square into z square. Minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18.
Write it on the board, sir.
Energy formula you don't have in notes. Anisha?
Sir, me, sir, Priyanka.
Huh?
Me, sir, Priyanka.
The formula. 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 divided by. This is the one as it is. He did not mention any n value, so that's why you please take 1 square into 4. 2.18 into 4, how much? 8.68. 2 into 4, approximately how much you will get?
8.68 into the power of minus 18 joules.
Getting the answer. So now you please take what is the correct matching. Third one.
Third option.
Formulas by heart. You have to by heart means you have to remember na third formulas what we have to do. Next. Question number 88. Question number 88 I will solve. Please observe. Each hydrogen atom is excited by giving 10.2 electron volts. Okay na? By giving 10.2 electron volts, we can excite the electron. The maximum number of spectral lines in the emission is equal to. See, actually, what is the energy of electron? E is equal to minus 13.6 for hydrogen-like species, na 13.6 by n square into n square for hydrogen-like species minus 13.6 plus 10.2 by giving you 10.2. We can excite the electron. What is the actual energy we will get? Minus 13.6 plus 10.2 minus 3.4. 3.2.
Minus 3.4.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.4.
Actually, this is the original value of electron. That is the original energy of electron. So, what is the energy electron formula? E is equal to minus 13.6 by n square into formula. You know, what is the actual energy we got? Minus 3.4 is equal to minus 13.6 by n square. N means orbital only na. So here n square is equal to minus 13.6 by minus 3.4. Minus minus cancel. 13.6 by 3.4, how much? 4 up.
Yes, sir. 4, sir. 4.
N square is equal to 4. N is
N
equal
is equal to 2.
So that is the answer. Sorry. N is equal to 2. Okay. Spectral lines formula. Number of spectral lines is equal to
Summation of natural number.
n into n minus 1 by 2. Number of spectral lines formula. What is the n value we got? 2. 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2. Next one. 1 or
1,
One.
sir.
1 is the answer. Two by two, 1. This is the answer. Next one. Which of the following Bohr's theory? Which of the following Bohr's theory is applicable? Bohr's theory is applicable for which type of species? Can you say?
Hydrogen-like species.
Hydrogen like ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Like
single
species.
electron species. Now you see, He plus has one electron, na? Children.
Yes, sir.
It is applicable for He plus. Li2 plus also has one electron.
Yes, sir.
Next, tritium also has one electron.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Be2
sir.
plus has two electrons. So
2
that's
electrons.
except D, it is applicable for A, B as well as C. Okay, na? Except D, it is applicable for A, B as well as C. So that's why A, B, C means fourth option is correct. Next. Question number 90. Apply in this formula. Question number 90. Please apply in this formula. What is the n value we have to take? Vaishnavi. What is the n value we have to take? Amruta. What is the n value we have to take for question number 90? Question only given 5. So minus 13.6 by 5 square. How much, ma? Minus 0.54. Okay, that is the answer.
Minus 0.54 electron volts, sir.
Next. What is the energy required to excite the electron from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2? Here I wrote n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2. How much energy we require? I wrote 10.2 electron volts, sir.
Yes, sir.
That how we are getting that 10.2? Now I will prove. Yesterday I wrote one formula. Delta E is equal to one formula. Delta E is equal to 13.6 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by 2 square. Formula is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please substitute in that formula. Delta E is equal to 13.6 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Formula. Delta E is equal to 13.6 into 1 by n1 value how much? 1 na? 1 na? N2 value 2. Delta E is equal to how much? 13.6 into my LCM 3 by 4.
Yes, sir. 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
How to do calculations? Okay, na? 10.2 electron volts. Calculations ಏನನ್ನ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Just I will say hint and clue. You have to write, you have to maintain notebook for at least problematic questions. Theory questions means not required. Problematic questions without writing in notes, again you may struck. So that's why better to write in notes for objective. Problematic questions, particularly page number, question number, that minimize your time while you are preparing in second PUC. Okay. Next. Ratio of radii of second and first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atoms. Formula radius formula r is equal to 0.53 into n square. The formula. Isn't it? I am comparing, he is comparing two radius, means we can take r1 is equal to 0.53 into, one is fourth orbiter, second orbiter.
Second, sir.
Second means 2 square. You know the r2 is equal to 0.53.
First orbit.
1 square. Okay, na? Ratio means divided by 0.53, 0.53 cancel. 2 square andre estama 4. 1 square andre 1. 4 by 1 andre estama
4:1.
Okay, na? Next. Energy of electron of hydrogen atom in second Bohr's orbit. E is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 by n square. This is formula. In joules. Minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 divided by 4. Estimate minus 2.18 divided by 0.54 into 10 power.
Sir, minus 5.44 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules.
Scientific notationally first option agutta. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 94. Question number 94, just it is a common sense question. Just now we discussed different formulas. Na? I will try to explain. Please observe. Energy, velocity, radius I will write. Energy, velocity, radius. Why? Because Rydberg constant, you know, value, but you don't have that much idea. But please observe. E is equal to minus 13.6 by n square. Energy inversely proportional. Okay, na? Next. R is equal to 0.53 into n square. Directly proportional. Next. V is equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 divided by n. Inversely proportional. Okay, na? Velocity means where we have to get n inversely proportional. In the list B, where we have n in inversely proportional case? First case, sir. 2 pi Z square by NH. N only na here. So that's why for 2 correct set is A. Next, radius. Come to radius. Radius n square relation directly proportional. In which option we have radius and n square directly proportional? D na for 4. Okay na for 4D. Next, what about energy? Energy means n square. So please remember 2 pi square m z square e power 4 by n square h square. Actually fourth option alli ide. But second option agutte. Okay na? As it is, you please remember. Next, Rydberg constant What we will get? H cube. Rydberg constant means H cube, CH cube. So option 2 ma. For 3C, actually in derivations you will get these relations. So instead of that, I am maximum trying to simplify the solution like this.
But I didn't get, so how did we get these?
Ma? Yes.
Sir.
Ma, for these derivations we have. Actually, we don't have derivations in physics. You have derivations. There you can learn in second PUC.
Okay, sir.
Next, come to question number 95. Already I given homework. How many members completed given homework? Students, how many members completed? Yes, completed. Only one student is saying.
Completed, sir.
Did you get the answers? Easy only, no?
Yes, sir.
Very easy questions, sir. Already in notes also I given such type of questions. Okay, na? Rest of the questions now I will solve. Please observe. Ma. 95 second option. Lambda is equal to h by p only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Second
Yes, sir.
option.
96 first option. 97 fourth option. For all material objects in motion. Next, 98 second option. Why 98 second option?
Minimum mass.
Very good. Wavelength mass inversely proportional. Lambda is equal to h by m. Students, this is the formula. Lambda is equal to h by m. Lesser the mass, greater the wavelength. Greater the mass, lesser is the wavelength. Here, CO2 44 molecular weight, NH3 17, O2 32, N2 28. Here, which has least mass? NH3.
NH3.
Least mass means wavelength.
NH3, sir.
Highest.
Right?
Highest.
Next, 99 question I am solving. Please observe. Lambda is equal to h by mv formula. If the wavelength of the electron is numerically equal to distance traveled by, distance traveled means it is velocity, na? Enama? Andre, lambda is equal to ve. Okay, na? What we know formula? Lambda is equal to h by mv. Lambda is equal to h by m. V means what, na?
Lambda.
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 Lambda into lambda. Lambda square is equal to h by
Root h by m.
okay.
Square root of h by m.
Root h by m.
Yes, sir.
Option 2, sir.
Artha, first of all, are you clear about this solution? This type of questions important. So he is telling the wavelength is numerically equal to distance traveled. Means we have to take velocity. So lambda is equal to v. Okay, na? So next we know this formula. So instead of v, you write lambda and simplify. Rest of the calculation. Next, question number 100. Please remember, ma? The mass of an electron is m, its charge is e, and it accelerates from rest through a potential difference v. The velocity of electron will be calculated by the formula. Okay? Students in notes, I told you this formula. Lambda is equal to h by root 2m EV formula. If this formula is there, lambda is equal to h by root 2m E. Is there? You see. Clear? Is that? So we know lambda is equal to h by m minimum. That is equal to h by root 2m EB. Right, sir? H by MB is equal to H by root 2 MB. H equal to MB is equal to what we will get now? Students. Root 2 m EB na? MB is equal to 2m EB. Here we have to calculate velocity. Velocity is equal to what we will get? Root 2m EB divided by m. Simplify this.
Whole root of 2 EV by
Root m ಅಂದ್ರೆ m into m. 1m cancel 1m ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Root 2 EV by m ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So V is equal to root 2 EV by m. Okay, next 102 confirm 102 completed ma
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
103 see these all are in notes this type of questions similar type of questions next
Sir, side
104
please, sir.
make it fast we have to discuss level 2 questions also
Done, sir.
20 minutes 104 also easy ma okay na next 105 next 107 I will say no please observe very simple ma 105 107 both are simple only he is telling two particles okay na? A B so this is lambda A is equal to H by MA BA lambda B is equal to H by MB BB and again lambda A is equal to H by what is the mass of A ma? Read the question B is 5 times that of particle A mass of B is 5 times that of particle A means I am taking mass of A is 1 B is 5 times that of A means A is 1 B is 5 only na so mass of A is 1 next what is the velocity of A 0.1 next lambda B is equal to H by 5 into what is the velocity 0.05 okay A by D is equal to okay na simplify step by writing H cancel 5 into 0.05 divided by 1 into 0.1 5 into 0.05 means 0.25 divided by 1 that is equal to 2.5 and 2.5 is to 100 next 2.5 is to 100 ratio ma 5 is to 2 na ಏನು ಪ್ರಮರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ
Yes, sir. 5.
Is completed?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Next, question number 107. 106 formula is there. Already you did this type of problem in notes also. Lambda is equal to h by root 2 m k formula. So that's E alpha EP represents kinetic energies of electron, alpha particle and proton respectively. Each moving with the same de Broglie's wavelength, then kinetic energy relation he is asking. Okay, na? Please remember, kinetic energy is inversely proportional to mass. Kinetic energy is inversely proportional to mass. Formula. Okay, na? Here, electron, alpha particle, proton. Electron, alpha particle, proton. It has least mass.
Electron.
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 Electrons.
It has least mass. Next least mass for proton.
Proton.
Protons.
Alpha particle.
What is the relation? E is greater than EP is greater than E alpha alpha. That's all.
Sure.
Fourth option, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ 2 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ level 2 questions how many completed?
Not started, sir. So means 21 complete.
Okay, 21 completed. Na? So maximum I will
Sir,
try.
atomic number, mass number, isotopes, isobar, that thing is completed.
Venama?
Sir, the second part of level 2 questions are completed, sir.
21 na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Photoelectric effect I will say, please remember now. Formulas and everything I will try to cover here. So based on that formulas, whenever you have done, you have to solve. Whenever not, completely you have to sit and solve the questions. Automatically you may get knowledge. See, photoelectric effect, ejection of electrons takes place from metal surface is called photoelectric effect. Okay, Nama? Number of electrons evolved from metal surface is depends on what I told you two important conditions.
Intensity of
Very good, very good. So number of photoelectrons is number of photoelectrons emitted is directly proportional to intensity of light. The kinetic energy of photoelectrons is depends on frequency of light, isn't it? So number of how many electrons we are getting from metal surface, that is depends on intensity. But kinetic energy of electron is depends on frequency. This is only I told in notes. Okay, na? Next. Please remember these formulas for photoelectric effect. E is equal to W plus Ke. The formula. E is equal to W plus Ke. What is the W? Work function. Ke kinetic energy, E means normal energy. Next, Ke is equal to formula h nu minus A is equal to E minus W. U means h nu, W means h nu naught. H nu naught means threshold frequency
Threshold frequency.
or critical frequency. Threshold frequency or critical frequency. So Ke is equal to h into nu minus nu naught. This is also one formula by taking h as common. Okay. Next, if you compare two kinetic energies, you will get KE1 by KE2 is equal to H into mu1 minus mu0 divided by H into mu2 minus mu0. This is one more formula. In where you will get these formulas in photoelectric effects. Okay, na? Next. What is the relation between energy and wavelength? E is equal to NHC by lambda. Formula. So where we have to use this N? Number of photons emitted with respect to energy, we have to use this formula. Already it is I told in Planck's quantum theory. E is equal to NHC by lambda. Okay, now next one more formula. Power is equal to E by T. Power is equal to E by T. That is equal to E means what? NHC by lambda into. So these formulas are required to solve the questions from 22 to 30. 22 to 30. So these are based on these formulas. 22 to 30 means how many questions, ma? 24 I will explain. 8 questions only, na? Students, are you
So
ready?
9 questions.
What, Brahmana, what is your problem? Say, Brahmana.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, now read question number 22 thoroughly. Question number 22 thoroughly, you have to read and say the answer. Don't see answers. Light of wavelength lambda shines on metal surface with intensity x, and the metal emits y electrons per second of average energy z. Average energy means nothing but kinetic energy. What will happen? Y and z. If x is double, and if you double the intensity, what is increases, what is not affects. If you increase if intensity increases, number of electrons increases, but no change in
Kinetic energy.
kinetic energy.
Yes, sir.
Andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? If intensity, that is x is doubles, number of photoelectrons emitted is double. Are you clear? Number of photoelectrons emitted is double. Andre y is double. What about kinetic? What about kinetic energy? No change in kinetic energy. So that's why y will be double, but will remain same z. But z will remain same. Is any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. Question number 23. Listen carefully. You have to listen. A photon of wavelength 5000 angstrom. Wavelength given. How to calculate energy? Please listen. Later you practice. Why? Because if you start with this problem, we have only 7 minutes time. We complete easily. Trick I will say. First, step 1. Calculate E is equal to HC by lambda. Right? You will get E in joules. Convert this joules into electron volts. Why I have to convert electron volts means in question threshold frequency work function is given in electron volts. 2 we have to take in same function. How to convert joule into electron volts? We have one conversion. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So you will get electron E is equal to E in electron volts. After that, what we have to calculate? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy formula Ke is equal to nu minus nu naught. Formula I wrote now. K is equal to nu minus nu naught. From here you will get nu. Nu naught already given in question. So please do that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, 24th I will explain. 24th. Energy levels A, B, C. A, B, C. Which has the least energy, ma? E, na? This is EA. This is EB. This is EC. EA, EB, EC. If lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 are the wavelengths of radiations corresponding to the transitions C to B. C to B means this is only the B to A. B to A means this is only the next A to C. C to A or A to C are okay. A to C. Okay. How many transactions we got now? 3 different types of transactions we got. Which of the following statement is correct? See, E3 is equal to what we can write now? E1 plus E2 can we write? E3 is equal
Yes, sir.
to. We are adding this one and this one only now. By adding this value and this value, we are getting this value. Means E3 is equal to E1 plus E2. Very simple example. You are in third floor. How to go third floor? By crossing first floor and the second floor. So E3 is equal to E1 plus E2 only na you will write it.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? E3 means HC by lambda 3 I will write. Yakandre E is equal to HC by lambda na. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ 3 I will write. ಇದು say what I have write here.
Lambda 1.
Either lambda 2. 1 by lambda 3 is equal to 1 by lambda 1 plus 1 by lambda 2. Okay na? So lambda 3 is equal to LCM lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Lambda 1 into lambda 2 relation. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? Second option.
Sir, sir, lower orbit will have higher energy, sir.
Huh?
Sir, lower orbit will have higher energy or lower energy, sir.
Lower orbit
Will have higher.
as the n value increases, energy is increases. E is equal to what formula?
Sir, minus 13.65.
Yesterday I told clearly that is for electron. I am taking to look orbit. Orbit energy increases, increasing n value.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday also I think somebody asked. I told energy of electron, energy of orbit is different. Aitama?
Yes, sir.
Next. 25 ma? 25 formula please write down. KE1 by KE2 is equal to already this formula is there na? KE1 by KE2 is equal to he is telling two kinetic energies na 6 times 6 by 1 is equal to KE1 by KE2 is equal to H formula ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ KE1 6 times he is telling 6 times means 6 by 1 6 by 1 is equal to H into H cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ H into how much first light frequency 4 into 10 power 16 minus mu naught. Another one is what 2 into 10 power 16 minus mu naught. The critical frequency this calculate please calculate this one. Okay na? Next, question number 26. Formula E is equal to NHC by lambda. Already I wrote this formula. E is equal to NHC by lambda. N, small n. N means number. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ n separate ಮಾಡಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. E is equal to NHC by lambda. N is equal to E lambda by HC ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 27. W is equal to E minus KE formula. Work function is equal to total energy minus kinetic energy only na. W is equal to E minus KE. Next, 28. Power formula I wrote na. Power is equal to E by T. E andre NHC by lambda into T. Power formula you please apply. Next, 29 is a formula. 13 is a formula, but this one you have to calculate. Everything is given. Okay, na? So time 10 o'clock. Question number 30 completed. Remaining questions. You can do de Broglie's questions easily. Bohr's theory, if you know the formulas, you can do easily. Also, you can do easily, no problem. Easy one, no difficulty. But few questions are left. Total questions are 82 only 30 complete ಆಗಿದೆ level 1. Level 2 questions total 146 are 146 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 107 ಆಗಿದೆ. 40 questions ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.